Well, hi everybody, I'm Keenan, and I am going to try to figure out how to get the Boston tone using this amp, a non-professional amp. It's a Champion 20 from Fender. What that proves right there is, one, I'm not a professional, and if you don't know it by my equipment, you'll know it by my playing. Anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through some of the different settings I have here, and I'll cut through and I'll show you those in a second. I'll film them separately, and I'm going to cut this part out probably. Anyway, well, maybe not. Let's get on with it. So the first setting is, now I've got like 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of amplifier settings. So I'm going to go with Tweed first, and each amplifier setting has like 3 different settings. So each one is, I think, progressively more distorted. So this is sort of basic Tweed. Let me put on my back pickup here and play from the back pickup because I think it'll give me a brighter sound, which is probably closer to the Boston sound anyway. So I was working on Peace of Mind. You know, that one. So you can see on this setting right here, I'll turn my volume up a little more. Anyway, that doesn't sound anything like it. So we're going to move on. I'm going to get to the most distorted one on Tweed here. So this is my Tweed Orange. I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Anyway, sounds sort of like it. See what the lead sounds. So we're on Tweed, we're on Orange right now. I'm going to add in a little bit of chorus and reverb here. See what we get. There's different settings too for levels of this. Okay, that's not too bad. Doesn't quite get there for me. It's close. Let me try. This one's got a little more reverb in it, I think. So we're going with a little more reverb. I'm not completely sold on that, so we're going to go Tweed Orange still. We're staying with Tweed. And going to jump to delay reverb. See what that sounds like. You know, let's go to flange first. We're going to go to flange first. Who doesn't like flange? Is there even any flange going on there? Doesn't sound like it. Turn on my effect level. Okay, you can also turn up your effect level. sort of. We're going to try one last one. We're going to go to delay now. So this has delay and reverb mixed in. Let's see. I think I need to bump up the speed on my delay. There we go. Much better. Okay, not bad. So that's all I'm going to try for this video right now, because I don't want this to be a super long video. So when I do my next video, I'm going to try out either the British or the metal version, the British or metal settings on the amplifier, which I think will be a little closer to what the sound is. But if somebody knows, let me turn that off. Somebody knows how to get a good Boston sound out of a Champion 20 amplifier, let me know. Without using any pedals. I'm trying to do this without the pedals, with just the settings we have. There's a lot of options on here, so you might have some good ideas, and I'd appreciate that. All right, thanks.